right.
Seems different from now. Maybe just our angle.
Yeah, it could be.
How's it going?
How's it going? Eaton Canyon Falls. What is today anyway? October 8th?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I guess it is. All day.
October 8th, yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
See, that's how you get killed.
Oh yeah, doing what those guys are doing. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, that's not a smart thing to do up there. Yeah. A couple of contenders for the Darwin Awards standing right there.
Right.
Stay off the rock, sir.
Yeah. Please step back from the ledge. You have lots to live for, sir.